Hi everyone, today we'll be making paneer vegetable fry. This is a very simple, delicious, yummy recipe. The ingredient that we are gonna use for this recipe will be 100 gram of paneer, 1 tomato, broccoli 100 gram, 1 onion, 50 gram of sweet corn and 1 shimla mirch. And we need 1 spoon of cow ghee and 1 spoon of Maggie sweet and sour sauce. So this is the ingredient we need, and preparation time for this is around 10 minutes. The step 1, we have to put 1 spoon of ghee in the pan, then fry your onion and paneer. After that you add all the remaining vegetables, and after 5-7 minutes you can add 1 spoon of Maggi sauce on this. Keep on stirring it, and max 10 minutes you can stop the gas and your recipe will be ready. So this paneer vegetable fry recipe is very yummy. This recipe is rich in protein because it has paneer, and it has very less carb, and it has good healthy fat. So guys, this recipe can be used by those who are at home during this quarantine time and they don't have much time to make food, and this can be used by those who are on the fat loss path, because night time or even lunch time you'll be getting lot of protein, less carb, more of healthy fats. So this is a complete recipe, a complete food which will help and support anyone who is looking to live a healthy life. Try this recipe guys. So step 1, we have to fry our onion and paneer in the pan by adding 1 spoon of ghee. In case you don't have ghee and you don't like ghee, then you can use olive oil, any other healthy oil of your choice. So now we need to add all the vegetables once the paneer and tomatoes are fried enough. So we need to keep on stirring this for almost 7-8 minutes. Once the vegetables are enough steamed with the natural water they have, we need to add final topping, Maggi sauce. You can sprinkle it on the vegetables and keep on stirring it so that everything is mixed well. Just keep for 1 minute because all the vegetables are steamed enough. Now we need to just keep it for 1 minute and our yummy paneer fry vegetable will be ready guys. Now our paneer vegetable fry is ready. Let's taste how it is. Oh my god, ये guys ये taste yummy, बहुत अच्छा बना है. आप लोग भी try करोगे घर पे. You will never regret, you will be damn happy. And if you like it, don't forget to like this video, put your comment, subscribe my channel. Goodbye, thanks.